Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, YouTubers. This is Jerry Diamond with How to Get Out of Babylon. Okay, now speak up, Jerry. Okay, I'm going to read from Nehemiah. It's kind of a special video here, because I feel that there's many of us are up against some serious spiritual warfare. One sister kept sending me things about some guy in Croatia. I don't remember the channel, but that he counted 70 comets one night. Well, I'm saying not a comet. Asteroid, meteorites, whatever you want to call them. 70 of them. And I thought, that's odd. There's 70 principalities over the nations in Canaan, and there's, principalities and powers. We wrestle not against flesh and blood, but against principalities, against powers, spiritual wickedness in high places. And I believe that a lot of us are up against that. I've been going through some just serious discouraging thoughts in my head continually, depressing thoughts, about family and nothing's happening and nobody cares and da-da-da-da. And then I realize, there's so many people out there, so many women and children that are in very precarious situations, and I need to continue to do what I'm doing just to give hope to other people. I mean, I need hope, yes, but I don't need to be feeling sorry for myself. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a little talk here and a prayer, and then I'm going to speak some good words, benediction. Now may the Lord make his face to shine upon you. That's a benediction, a good speaking. I want to speak forth some good things over people's lives that are wanting to move, relocate, and pray for miracles. Okay, I don't know if I'm speaking up. I'm going to have to check this. All right, so Nehemiah 4. And it came to pass, 4:15, I'm picking up in 4:15. And it came to pass when our enemies heard that it was known unto us, and Elohim had brought their counsel to naught, that we returned all of us to the wall, every one unto his work. And it came to pass from that time forth that half of my servants wrought in the work, and the other half of them held the spears, the shields, the bows, and the habergeons, and the rulers were behind all the house of Judah. They which builded on the wall, and they that bear burdens, those that laded, every one with his hands wrought in the work, and with the other hand held a weapon, sword in the trowel. That was the name of Spurgeon's newspaper for many decades. A sword in the trowel. For the builders, everyone had his sword girded by his side, and so builded, and he that sounded the trumpet was by me. Okay, the man that sounded the trumpet was by me. The Tirshatha, the general. The Tirshatha. He calls himself the Tirshatha. And I said unto the nobles, and to the rulers, and to the rest of the people, the work is great and large, and we are separated upon the wall, one far from another. In what place therefore ye hear the sound of the shofar, resort ye hither unto us, our Elohim shall fight for us. So we labored in the work, and half of them held the spears from the rising of the morning until the stars appeared. Likewise at the same time said I unto the people, let every one with his servant lodge within Jerusalem, that in the night they may be a guard to us, and labor in the day. So neither I nor my brethren nor my servants nor the men of the guard which followed me, none of us put off our clothes, saving that every one of them put them off for washing. So they would wash their clothes, but other than that they wore them 24/7. Okay, so I want to go back to, in what place therefore ye hear the sound of the trumpet, resort ye hither unto us, our Elohim shall fight for us. That's the verse that I want to act out. I'm going to blow the shofar, and I'm going to pray. I want to just try to remember all the people that need prayer right now, and I want you to write these names down and pray for them. If we don't start pulling together and helping each other, a lot of people that are listening to me right now may not make it. May end up in really horrific situations. I've seen it for 20 years, and that's been the burden of my heart, because I know the evil that's in men's hearts. And I know what they can do. And people have had bizarre dreams of armies coming in with Americans' heads on bayonets and just horrible things. And women have had dreams about, a whole apartment complex filled with women locked in, all of them locked up, and they were just basically a giant whorehouse for the army. And that could be an American army. It doesn't make any difference who it is. They're evil. So I want to blow the shofar, and I want to put out the word and I believe that the shofar is a very powerful weapon, that it has effects in the spiritual realm. And I want to put out the word to angels to help people, that you people out there that are wanting to get here. And I'm praying in the name of Yeshua, Son of God, the Christos, Hamashiach, that angels will go out and help these people. Hallelujah. I'm thinking of Estrella, Mary, and some people are already here and they've made it. Lisa is here. Ray, I talked to him today. He bought land up not too far from me. Just pray for him to get his move made this month, within the month. Other people in Florida. There's so many women in Florida that want to get here. Okay, I'm going to miss some names and I apologize. Anthony in Michigan. And, okay. There's more than that. I'm very tired right now, so forgive me. But everyone that's out there that's in process that wants to be here, and everybody that's been praying for me, please continue. And I pray also for the Gretchen. Thank you so much, Gretchen. You've been a blessing, and your letters are very precious to me. And your prayers are worth more to me than anything that you or anyone could give to me, money-wise. So pray for the widows out there that need prayer and need help. Widows don't want to be widows. They just pray for Linda. Pray for Deborah, Terry. I pray for people that are here and have gone through some tough times. My friend Michael in Arkansas. He's had some trying times. He wants to help people, but so now I'm going to blow the shofar, and I want to speak some benediction, some good speakings. I'm going to blow this, and I want this to resound out to the firmament, that people will come and be drawn to it, and that angels will help those who want to get here. Just miracles need to happen. There needs to be convoys of people, men who would help some of these women get here, drive their vehicle for them or pull their trailer with the truck. There's a woman in Florida that needs help getting here, Mary. She called me tonight and we talked for a while. Drink water. But she needs somebody to get her trailer here. It's a little camper trailer with some of her stuff in it. All right. In what place therefore you hear the sound of the trumpet, restore ye hither unto us, our Elohim shall fight for us. So here we go. As you're en route, I would just pray for angels to be with you, and water will be there, food will be there, shelter will be there when you need it. Miracles will happen. When you need hiding, you'll be able to hide. When you need safety, you'll be safe. That when you need to be helped, you'll be helped. Angels will bury up your tires, let you dash them against a stone or anything else. That if there's a problem, you'll have immediate help there to get you through the problem. And I just pray for contacts. May doors open. The right people contact you. Thoughts come to your mind. Listen to the thoughts that come to your mind and act on them. I couldn't find my keys to my van today, and I prayed, and within 10 seconds they were in my hand. And I could have looked for 3 days. I was like, oh, I'm not going to find them. It could be 3 years before I find them, but I put them somewhere safe. Well, it was like 10 seconds, literally. So, if you need fuel, you'll have fuel. People will be hospitable and help, and contacts will be reliable. So I just want to speak to those things for us. Good speaking, benediction, and I've seen that, the power of writing and speaking. We can change the future. Our thoughts can change matter. We can create things. And I've seen that over and over again. Some people are very good at it. All right, so and another neat thing is somebody's going to maybe come pick me up and take me down to Camp Fairhaven, which was given to this church organization for Sabbath keeping, for feast days, and for refugees. And this brother's been down there talking to him. He said, I said, you got to talk to him about refugees. And he says, it's been this topic all week long. So he's going to try to get somebody to come up and get me and bring me down there. Don't want to have somebody put out that much, but I can't drive. All right, so anyway, I'm praying about that. I'm going to go ahead and upload this tonight. And I know it's a bad video, pretty tacky and crappy, but oh well. Okay, so we're against spiritual warfare, and I'm just praying that the shofar will break loose some things in the spiritual realm and start doors opening up and contacts being made with you people that need to get here. No, it's in Rebecca, Kansas City. Get down here. Mary, come on out. Estrella, make it happen. And some of you people are going to have to just... And Angela, oh my word, Angela. How can I forget that? I'm sorry. Don't smack me next time you see me. Angela's been like my health coach, just a total blessing. And she's wanting to get here from Colorado. So, blessings on all of you and your journey and your safety and your health and your water, your food, your shelter. Be blessed and be here. All right. This is Jerry Diamond. If you're listening to this, you are the remnant. And the remnant, there will be a remnant. They will be victorious, but they overcome by the word of the Lamb and by the blood of the Lamb and the word of their testimony. So testify, and we'll see you here. Come on out.